Today I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you need to duplicate a project template, create a backup of your work, or start a new sheet based on an existing structure without building everything from scratch. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets and workspaces are displayed. Now that you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through your existing sheets and files. Locate the specific sheet you want to copy. This could be a project tracker, a budget spreadsheet, or any other sheet you've been working on. Once you found it, click on that sheet to open it. With your sheet now open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, but we're interested in the File menu. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various file management options. From the drop-down menu, select Save as New. This is the key feature that allows you to create a copy of your current sheet. Clicking this option will open a dialog box with several customization settings for your new copy. The first thing you'll notice in this dialog is a field where you can name your duplicate sheet. Go ahead and type in a name that clearly identifies this as a copy or indicates its new purpose. This helps keep your workspace organized and prevents confusion later. Below the name field, you'll see options for choosing where to save your new sheet. You can save it in your current workspace, move it to a different workspace, or even save it to a specific folder. Select the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. Next, you'll find sharing options in the dialog box. If you want to maintain the same sharing settings as the original sheet, you can check the sharing checkbox. This will copy over all the existing permissions and collaborators from the original sheet to your new copy. Moving down, you'll encounter options for automated workflows and alerts. Here you can decide whether to include any automated processes, reminders, or notifications that were set up in the original sheet. This is particularly useful if you're creating a new project that requires the same workflow triggers. You'll also see data and formatting options. These settings allow you to control what elements from the original sheet get copied over. You can choose to include or exclude certain data, formatting styles, conditional formatting rules, and other structural elements depending on your needs. Once you've configured all these settings to your preference, simply click Save at the bottom of the dialog box. Smartsheet will now create your duplicate sheet with all the specifications you've chosen, and you'll be able to access it immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully created a copy of your sheet in Smartsheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.